Hello! This video in the BBC Learning English phrasal verb series is all about housework. Not homework, housework. I'm Georgie, let's get into it. I'm hungry. I want to make some food, so first I turn on the hob and put the frying pan on top. Next, I pick up some ingredients and put them in the frying pan. After cooking and eating, I clean up. I pick up the plates, I throw away the leftovers, I wash up, and then I put away the dry plates and cutlery. The next day, I take out the bins, and then I hang up the laundry. Whew, finally, I lie down and rest. Okay, let's look at these verbs in a little bit more detail. Turn something on means to start or give power to something electric or mechanical. You can turn on the TV, the light, the tap. Turn off means the opposite. Both of these verbs can be separated. Pick something up means to grab something and lift it. This verb can also be separated. Clean up means to make something clean. You cooked, I'll clean up. The verb doesn't need an object, it works on its own, but you can use it with an object as well. I'm going to clean up this mess. Throw something away means to dispose of or discard something. We mostly use this when we put something in the bin. This verb can be separated. Wash something up in British English means to wash the dishes, cutlery and pots and pans. It can be used with or without an object, and it can be separated. Put something away means to put something in its original place after using it. It can also be separated. Take something out means to remove something from somewhere and put it in another place. If you take the bins out, you take them from the house and put them outside. Hang something up means you suspend it above ground. So if you hang up your clothes, you put them on a washing line. It can be separated. Remember, don't freak out. Just come back to BBC Learning English and we'll work on more phrasal verbs and how to use them. See you next time.